Do it up here.
We need down here.
Remote control helicopters from Uncle Ryan. It is a disaster. God. Careful. Careful, Zach.
Mine did a poker.
Crashing into the tree.
Mine didn't.
Good, Jackson. Don't break it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Holy crap. Jeez, Jackson.
That was awesome.
All right. Okay, do it, Zach. Let's see it.
Jackson, what if you want the trick box?
Well, let's see you fly it. Do it, Zach. Oh my goodness. Oh, jeez. Oh. What the? It's like in dive bomb here. What?
I'm trying to make a small land.
I'm trying to make it land.
It's hard to make it a land.
Is it? Good job, Zach.
Ow! That was a land.
Did you land it?
Mine already
Well.
landed. I can land it. Mine crashed.
Let's see it.
Mine crash landed. Woo! Woo!
Jeez. I'm gonna break it.
That was a perfect landing. Woo! Incoming! Let me see if I can fly from here. Let me see if I can landing pad.
Good, Jackson. Whoops. Whoa, you gotta straighten it out.
It was.
Zach, very good. Very good, buddy. Can you get it out of there?
How about mine?
Wow, you landed it. Good job.
What's that, Zach?
Whoop, don't get it tangled up. Let off the gas.
Okay,
did?
this is gonna be hard. It's watch this.
Okay. Whoops. Well, now it's going down the stairs. Yeah, it is. Oh, this house is destroyed.
Because of the helicopter.
Yeah.
That's a perfect landing.
Thanks a lot, Uncle Ryan.
I'm landing in the garbage bag.
Good job, Zach.
That's easy. That's gonna be This is gonna be easy. Woo!
Gosh. Jeez.
Watch out! It's coming!
Incoming, huh?
That means watch out!
Oh, is that what that means?
When I say incoming, that means you have to walk somewhere.
Okay.
When it's
Okay.
incoming!
Oh, shit. Shoot. Hmm?
Dad. Incoming! It was farting!
Oh my. You're probably gonna have to go get it. It can't fly up and when it's underneath the tree.
That's easy. I'm gonna fly to your box.
It's gonna get to.
It's not following my direction.
Why, Zach? You figured out how to stabilize it and everything. Look at that.
Me too.
Well, maybe not.
Me too.
That is good. Good, Jackson.
That's a perfect landing.
Bang.
Dad, watch this perfect landing.
A perfect landing.
Look, I'm stabilizing
Yep, that's
it.
pretty close to perfect.
Do you see this perfect fly? From there to here? I can make a land. I can make it land.
Good landing. That was a good landing. Whoops.
Mine was easy and Andy.
Good, Jackson.
You just
Wow, jeez.
have to get down to the ground. You have to get low more.
Those little, be careful. Those little suckers hurt when they get going fast.
What?
The blades. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hang on. Well, hang on. We're gonna stop this. Hang on.